Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, June 28th, and we got plenty of sunshine across much of the area this morning, but we'll see showers and thunder showers move in, mainly a showery pattern. We don't see a lot of instability until we get into tonight. Again, the heaviest rains today, around a quarter or half inch, will be found around the Muskegon, Cadillac, Ludington area, and northwest lower Michigan back into the UP and Wisconsin. That's where the best dynamics will be, and that's where they have the best chance of thunderstorms. And again, over the next couple of days, though, we'll have plenty of rainfall. Looks like about 1 to 2 inches of rain will fall by Saturday morning, most of it coming on Friday. And Friday also be our best chance of severe thunderstorms, and we'll look at that outlook in a moment. But you can see the extended outlook looks like warmer than normal and above normal precipitation as well as we go through the next couple of weeks. So very summer-like weather is on the way. You can see the webcam this morning at Blissfield, and a nice start to the day with temperatures in the low 50s as they begin wheat harvest. And again, they started to get some wheat in here over the last day or two. And if we look at the 50% plant date across some of our locations, you can see really great shape as far as growing degree days. Blissfield at the upper portion of their last 5 years, as well as Breckenridge, again, not only above normal, but above some of the key years that we look at. Brown City, again, up towards the higher end of the growing degree day range compared to previous years. Clarksville, New Station, again, above normal versus the temperatures for this time of year. And as we look into Newaygo, also pretty good shape in the middle to the upper part of the comparison years that we have there as well. And looking at our very variable precipitation here for the month of June, you can see Breckenridge leading the way at almost 7.5 inches of rain, all the way down to just 7/10 once you get in out into southeast lower Michigan at Blissfield. Again, they'll be adding some pretty good amounts, I think, over the next 3 days there. And again, tomorrow, better chance of rain across the southern part of the state versus the north. Today, the best chance will be across the northwestern MAC areas like Newaygo, Breckenridge, and Middleton. Probably see more rain today, where very little rain will fall today across southeast lower Michigan. As far as conditions around the area this morning, temperatures in the low to mid 50s, about 2 to 3 degrees warmer than yesterday morning at this time. And if we look at the radar this morning, you can see those showers and thunderstorms from Minnesota, Iowa, back down towards northwest Missouri. Again, as these move east, they will weaken. And again, mainly a showery pattern as that system moves in, again, outrunning the dynamics. Again, the best chance of strong to severe storms and heavy rains will be across portions of Iowa, back into Kansas, up into Wisconsin, and portions of the UP as well, where quite a bit of rainfall is expected here today into tomorrow. And if we look at the weather map this morning, you can see the low pressure system that'll be moving to the northeast. That'll drag this warm front through up towards the area, and again, that'll help spread the rain in here later on today and tonight. Again, you can see the best chance of severe storms off to our southwest. Heavy rains possible up into the northern portions of the UP and in the far southern portions of the upper peninsula. And again, especially for areas back into Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa, and into northern Missouri. By tomorrow, that front will be moving through. The warm front will move through the area. We expect some of these showers and thunderstorms to be more active across the southern portions of the lower Michigan, where there is a marginal risk from around Lansing off to the south, but the best chance of severe weather will be across the northern Ohio back into the Corn Belt, also where the heaviest rain is expected. Our best chance of severe storms is going to be on Friday as that front slowly sags south. A low pressure system moves along the front, and I'm concerned we may see more rain than some of the models are indicating. Right now it looks like 1 to 2 inches, but again, some of the areas I'm fearful might see a little bit more than that, and we'll keep an eye on that. We've still got 48 hours before we start getting into the heat of the action across much of the MAC area. As far as how much precipitation is expected, you can see the WPC indicating the areas that really don't need the rain may pick up about an inch or so, with the heaviest rains across southwest lower Michigan. But you can see the entire state looks like we're going to see plenty more rain coming up over the next few days, but it could be worse. Portions of Iowa down into Missouri and then up into Illinois could see around 4 to 6 inches of rain. We certainly don't need that. Some of the models a couple days ago were forecasting those kind of amounts, so I'm still a little bit leery that we may see more in the way of rainfall. As far as the severe weather outlook over the next 3 days, you can see the day one outlook. This will be the greatest chance of severe storms across portions of Iowa into southwest Wisconsin. And then for day two, it looks like that activity shifts off to the south into the northern Ohio Valley. And then our forecast on Friday looks like the best chance of severe weather will be across the Great Lakes, across Michigan. And our forecasted temperatures, again, we're going to be in the upper 70s today, but if we get more rain and clouds, I think temperatures may only be in the low to mid 70s today. We'll be up around 80, And then again, Friday, I think we have a good chance of strong storms, maybe severe across the area, and we may see weather watches at that time. Weekend right now looks pretty good with temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s with plenty of sunshine. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.